Mo-discuss ko sa infix and postfix prefix. So musugod ta sa operand. Ang operand is a value or expression that is used to perform an operation running A, B, X, Y. Human ang operator is the symbol used to perform on operation variables. Kanang minus, plus, times. So infix operator are used in between operands. So A plus B, so mo na siya. Ang postfix is operator written after the operand. So mag-una siya sa operand. So plus, minus, ABC. Prefix is operator written ahead of operand. So siya mapaiwit siya ABC plus minus. Roles when converting infix to postfix. So una na to is priorities of the operator. So dara, highest priority. Ana no mo na highest no.
Yes.
Manang ana kay mo na next ya lowest kanina duha kay nani. Mo guro. So to is no two operators or some priority can stay together in stack column. So human 3 is lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. So di siya pwede mag-una sa kon highest. Infix to postfix conversion. So mo na ito ang symbol kani human sa stack. Try the example ito. Note operators belong in the stack. O, dire. Infix to postfix conversion symbol. O. So, dara nakuhaan siya man stack. Belong siya po siya sa stack. Infix to prefix conversion. So, mo gyapon na example AB plus AB plus A plus B ana C so i-reverse na to siya human i-turn to prefix.